If you wish to have Dynamic Island on the Samsung Galaxy A27, the first thing that you can do is you can go to the Play Store, and we need to download an app that allows us to get a Dynamic Island. So for example, over here, I'm going to tap on search, then the search field at the top, and we can just simply type Dynamic Island. Let's search for apps. And as you can see, we have many different apps that, at least in theory, should allow us to get a Dynamic Island. In my case, I'm going to use this one over here, Dynamic Spot. I'm going to install it. I'm going to show you how to set it up. However, feel free to try any other app that you can find on this list. So let's open this. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Next, over here, we should be able to tap on Next. Then we need to go through this list, so go to Select Apps, and then you should be able to choose apps that should be displayed on the Dynamic Island. So you can just tap on All here in the upper right corner, or you can just individually choose which apps you want to have on the Dynamic Island. Then we need to grant the notification access, so let's tap on Notification Access, and then on this list we have the Dynamic Spot, which we need to enable over here, and tap on Allow. Then go to Draw on Screen, and then once you see this window, you want to press on OK, and then tap on the same option again, and go Next. Now let's wait. Then we will be redirected to Accessibility, and you want to go to Installed Apps. Now over here we have Dynamic Spot, so let's go here and let's turn it on and allow the app access to have the control. And tap on Done. You might see this premium offer, which we can close in the upper right corner, and the app is pretty much ready to be used. Now, if you decide to make some changes with apps, I mean, which apps should be displayed on the Dynamic Island, what apps should be there, then in that case you want to go to Notifications, and then here we have the apps option, and once again you can decide. Now besides that, we can also go to Position in order to take a look at the Dynamic Island, and of course you can customize it a little bit. You can adjust its size and the position. So of course if you want to make it wider or taller, then you can easily do so. In my case, I'm gonna leave it as it is over here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.